friends, we are going to read a silly rhyming book this evening, and it's called Jackhammer Sam, and it is written by Peter Mandel. Now, this book is a little wider than some of our others, so I'm going to try to make sure that I get the pictures into view so you can see them. Jackhammer Sam. Atta-ratta-tatta-bam, do you know who I am? The name's Jackhammer Sam. Yeah, that's the man I am. Atta-ratta-batta-blam, I'm the sidewalk blasting man. You may try to cross the street, but there's a crack beneath your feet, 'cause I a chop concrete, and I do not chop it neat. Yeah, my hammer sounds so sweet when I chop it to a beat that I gotta make a song. Atta-ratta-binga-bong. It might be loud, it could be long. Atta-ratta-pinga-pong. But I never hit it wrong. Atta-ratta-ding-a-dong. See, there's secret to my style. When I work, I take a while. All the cars go single file, and I make policemen smile. Cause I build a monster pile and I drill a city mile. I use my belly on the job. It shakes like jelly or a blob. I dig so deep I just can't stop. I mop the sewers, slip, slap, slop. I pop the steam pipes, rip, drip, drop. I stop the subways, creak, ker, plop. I once struck oil down below, a mighty geyser, don't you know? Plug your ears, she's gonna blow, a river rushing, watch her flow. I turned a stop sign into go and cut an oar so I could row. My hammer drilled a giant's tooth, my hammer paved the Rockies smooth. My hammer broke the break of day, my hammer drained the Milky Way. My hammer sings it loud and strong, and I want you to sing along. Atta-ratta-tatta-bam, atta-ratta-batta-blam. Atta-ratta-binga-bong, atta-ratta might belong. Atta-ratta-pinga-pong, atta-ratta-ding-a-dong. Atta-ratta-bang-a-gong, atta-ratta never wrong. Atta-ratta-king-a-kong, atta-ratta loud and strong. The name is Jackhammer Sam, and that's my song. The end. Hope you guys enjoyed that silly tale.